Hi! Today's style is a 3-strand pull-through braid into a ponytail. This is a darling accent to add to any ponytail just to add a little more spice. So let's get started. To start, we're going to make a square on the top of the head. So make a part on the left, then a part on the right, and then a part just at the crown of the head. So there's a square, and then you're just going to clip that out of the way. Now brush the remaining hair into a ponytail, and I want to do it kind of high so it's near the part, just about an inch or so below the part. And then just add an elastic. And now with that top section, take it out of the clip and just make a part right in half so it's right in the middle of where that square is. And now with that front section, we're going to just split it in half again. So just make a part towards the side, and then we're going to take that front section of hair and we're going to add an elastic, and I like to do it as far to the right as I can. And then we're going to do this 3 more times, so just with the next section back, then with that second section, cut it in half and make 2 more ponytails. So now we're going to create our braid. So with that front piece, we're going to create 3 sections. So there's 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. With the second ponytail back, we're going to create 2 pieces. So just split it right in half. So there's 2 pieces there. So 3 in front, 2 in back. Now with that front ponytail, we're going to take the piece on the far left, put it on the outside. The middle piece goes right through the center of those 2 pieces in the second ponytail. And then the other piece goes on the other outside. Then just clip those 2 pieces out of the way. And we're going to connect the strands from the first ponytail to the third ponytail. And so this creates this first loop. So now you just want to release that hair and pull on those strands just to make it a little more defined. Again, we're going to take that first ponytail, split it in 3, the ponytail right behind it, split it in 2. Now with that first ponytail, take the left strand on the side, the middle strand goes right through the center of those 2 pieces in the second ponytail. Clip those 2 pieces out of the way, grab the 3 pieces and connect it to that last ponytail. Now take the clip out and just pull on those pieces again just to make it a little more full. We're going to repeat this again. So take that first ponytail, split it into 3 pieces. Take the ponytail behind it and split it into 2 pieces. We're going to just do the same thing. The far left strand from the first ponytail on the left, the middle strand through the center, and the other strand on the other side. Clip that out of the way. Now we don't have a ponytail to attach this to, so we're just going to put all 3 strands together and add an elastic. So they're just going to stay together. Now after we pull those pieces down, we're just going to do the same thing and tug on those pieces. And then we're going to repeat this one last time. And again, it depends on how many ponytails you've created to determine how many loops you're going to do. So divide it into 3 pieces, the bottom one into 2, flip those 2 pieces out of the way, and now we're going to connect those 3 strands from the first ponytail to the ponytail in the back. So just take those 3 strands and attach them with an elastic to that back ponytail. Now pull on the pieces again, just to make it full. And now we have these 2 strands, and I just like to take them underneath the ponytail or just to the sides, and then just add another elastic. And after you add that elastic, you are done with this style. Now you can do this braid in many different ways, and I just love how it looks as an accent into a ponytail. I especially think it's so cute on a little girl. It just adds a little bit to a regular ponytail. And this braid is actually so much easier than it looks because all you need to do is use the elastics. There's no braiding involved. I hope that this tutorial helped you, and I hope that you enjoy recreating this style on your own. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. You can also click above if you would like to see some of our past tutorials. We have a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!